10ാം ക്ലാസ് ഫിസിക്സിലെ റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ലൈറ്റ് എന്ന പാഠഭാഗവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട 4ാമത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇന്ന് മിറർ ഇക്വേഷനുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ചില പ്രോബ്ലംസും അതുപോലെ മാഗ്നിഫിക്കേഷനുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ചില പ്രോബ്ലംസുമാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആദ്യം മിറർ ഇക്വേഷനുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം. When an object is placed in front of a concave mirror at a distance 30 cm, an image is obtained on a screen at a distance of 20 cm from the mirror. Find the focal length of the mirror. First, what you have to find? The focal length. And what are the quantities given? Yes, the object distance, that is u, 30 cm, and v, that is image distance, 20 centimeter. And let us write this using new Cartesian sign convention. That is, object distance u is equal to minus 30 centimeter, image distance v is equal to minus 20 centimeter, and equation, that is focal length f is equal to u into v by u plus v. That is, substituting the values of u and v, minus 30 into minus 20 divided by minus 30 plus minus 20. That is plus 600 by minus 50. That is minus 12 centimeter. Okay. So we can move to the next problem. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror 20 centimeter away from it. If its focal length is 40 centimeter, locate the position of the image and its nature. So what is given? Yes, image distance or u is equal to minus 20. Then another thing, that is focal length, that is minus 40 centimeter. Okay, then we want to find v, that is the position of image. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, that is mirror equation. And converting 1 by v, that is 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. That is 1 by v is equal to, substitute the value of f and u, that is minus 40 and minus 20. 1 by minus 40 minus 1 by minus 20. Rewriting, minus 1 by 40 plus minus and minus become plus, that is plus 1 by 20. Minus 20 plus 40 divided by 800. That is minus 20 plus 40 means 20, and by 800. That is 1 by v is equal to 20 by 800. V is equal to 800 by 20. That is equal to 40 centimeter. V is equal to 40 centimeter. And what is the position of image? Yes, V is equal to since V is equal to positive, you know that towards right, and the image should be behind the mirror. Okay, then size magnified, then nature virtual and erect. Okay, and you have also learned that if the object is placed in between f and p, the image will be behind the mirror. Okay, now next one. Is there any relationship between the position of image and the size of the image? The position of the image and the size of the image. That is, size of the image by size of the object is equal to hi by ho. Hi by ho. That is magnification. That is the relation. So magnification is the ratio of the size of the image to the size of the object. And using symbol hi by ho is equal to m. That is the magnification. Then does it have any relationship with the value of v by u? That is the image distance and object distance. Any relation? Let us find. Now that is, the figure shows the image formation when an object is placed beyond the center of curvature C. That is, an object is placed beyond the center of curvature, beyond C. Where is the image? The position of the image, that is between F and C. And what about the nature? Yes, real and inverted, and the size is diminished. Okay. Now, in the figure, you watch closely, there are two triangles. That is, consider these triangles, that is triangle OBP and triangle IMP. These are similar triangles. According to the concept of similarity, they are similar triangles. And let's now see how this can be proved mathematically. That is, the relationship between height of the object and image, and then the distance between that means the object distance and the image distance. Let us find the relation. Okay. Now see, we have seen that there are two similar triangles, that is OBP and IMP. Let us see, these are the triangles, similar triangles, and also you have learned that the corresponding parts are proportional. The about these similar triangles, the corresponding parts are proportional. Okay, that is, once again see, what is OB? OB is the height of the object, and what is IM? IM is the height of the image. And then what is OP? OP is the object distance, and IP is the image distance. So we can find the relation. See, according to the similarity of these triangles, IM by OB is equal to IP by OP. That is, corresponding parts of the similar triangles. They are proportional. IM by OB is equal to IP by OP. So what is IM? Yes, height of the image, and OB, that is height of the object, IP, image distance, and OP, that is object distance. Okay, using symbols we can write this one. IM is equal to HI, OB is equal to HO, and IP is equal to V, and OP is equal to U. Then that is HI by HO is equal to V by U. Using IM by OB is equal to IP by OP, and converting with the symbols, HI by HO, height of the image by height of the object, is equal to, that is V by U. V means image distance, and U means object distance. Okay. On writing this equation in accordance with the new Cartesian sign convention, that is using sign convention, we can write HO, that is height of the object is always positive, and that is upwards, and height of the image, that is negative because that is downwards, and U, that is the object distance, that is towards the left, that is negative, and V, that is negative, that is also towards the left. Now that is using these new Cartesian sign convention, we get minus HI by HO is equal to minus V divided by minus U. That is minus and minus, that is plus, that is minus HI by HO is equal to V by U. And what is magnification? Magnification is HI by HO. So magnification M is equal to HI by HO. So what is here with the V and U magnification? Is M is equal to minus V by U. So magnification has two equations, that is M is equal to HI by HO and M is equal to minus V by U. Okay. Now using this we can do some problems. When an object of height 6 centimeter is placed in front of a concave mirror at a distance 10 centimeter away from it. An image is obtained 16 centimeter away on the same side. Find out the height of the image and magnification. So we want to find the height of the image, that is hi, and magnification m. So what are the quantities given? Yes, u, that is distance to object, that is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Distance to image v is equal to minus 16 centimeter, and the height of the object ho, that is also given, is equal to positive 6, that is plus 6 centimeter. Then we want to find the height of the image hi. So first we can calculate the magnification, that is using the v and u. Okay, then see, magnification m is equal to minus v by u, minus v by u, that means minus of v by u, that is equal to, and v is equal to minus 16 and u is equal to minus 10. Don't confuse with this one, that is v is equal to minus 16 and u is equal to minus 10, and the magnification m is equal to minus of v by u, that is minus of minus 16 by minus 10, that is equal to minus 1.6. And you see one thing, that is magnification has no unit, and minus 1.6, that is itself. Now magnification using we can find out this h, what is that, hi by ho, that is m is equal to hi by ho, and hi by ho is equal to minus 1.6. Then hi is equal to, we want to find out hi, that is hi is equal to minus 1.6 into ho, that is hi is equal to minus 1.6 into plus 6, that is minus 9.6 centimeter. That means the height of the image hi is equal to minus 9.6 centimeter, that is downwards. Okay. Now another problem. An object is placed 8 centimeter away in front of a concave mirror of focal length 5 centimeter. Find out the position of image and the magnification. Find out whether the image is inverted or erect by drawing the ray diagram on a graph paper. So it is concave mirror, and what are the quantities given? That is object distance is given, focal length is given, and find out. Now that is f is equal to minus 5 centimeter, u is equal to minus 8 centimeter, and we want to find out v, that is using equation using this diagram you can see that, and the object is placed in between c and f, and image is formed beyond c. Now f is equal to minus 5 and u is equal to minus 8, and see v is equal to uf by u minus f. By simplifying the mirror equation, v is equal to uf by u minus f. V is equal to minus 8 into minus 5 divided by minus 8 minus minus 5. That is v is equal to minus 8 into minus 5 means 40 plus 40, and minus 8 plus 5, that is minus 3. So v is equal to 40 by minus 3, that is equal to minus 13.33 centimeter. Okay. Now what are the features? What are the, v is equal to minus 13.33 centimeter, that means towards left the image, and u is equal to minus 8, and focus you know that minus 5 centimeter. Double the focus means minus 10 centimeter, and after that the image, that is v minus 13.33 centimeter. So it will be beyond c. C means minus 10, f means minus 5, c double of focal length, so minus 10. After that, that means beyond c, v minus 13.33 centimeter. And features, what are the features? The position beyond c, c ക്ക് അപ്പുറത്താണ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്, സൈസ് മാഗ്നിഫൈഡ് ആണ്, and nature real and inverted. Okay. And another thing, that is magnification m is equal to minus of v by u, that is minus of minus 13.33 divided by minus 8, that is minus 16.7, that is the magnification. ഇവിടെ ഒരു കാര്യം ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടത്, എഫ് -5 cm ആണ്. അതുപോലെ സി അപ്പോൾ -10 cm ആയിരിക്കും, ഡബിൾ ആയിരിക്കും. സിക്ക് വിയുടെ വില നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത്, അതായത് ഇമേജ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് -13.33 ആണ്. അതായത് -10 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പിന്നീട് ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് പോവുകയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ബിയോണ്ട് സി എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞത്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ യുവിൻ്റെ വില, അതായത് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് -8 cm, അതായത് ഫോക്കൽ ലെങ്ത്തും കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്, അതായത് റേഡിയസ് ഓഫ് കർവേച്ചറിൻ്റെയും ഫോക്കൽ ലെങ്ത്തിൻ്റെയും ഇടയിലാണ് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ പൊസിഷൻ എന്ന് നമുക്ക് എഫിൻ്റെയും യുവിൻ്റെയും വില നോക്കിയിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റും. സോ ബിറ്റ്വീൻ എഫ് ആൻഡ് സി, സോ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി ബിയോണ്ട് സി, ദ ഇമേജ് വിൽ ബി ബിയോണ്ട് സി. ഈ കാര്യങ്ങളൊന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. നൗ മാഗ്നിഫിക്കേഷനുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ചില ഒരു ടേബിളാണ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് HI HO കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നത്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ സൈസ് ഈസ് സെയിം, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ നേച്ചർ, ഓൾ ദീസ് തിങ്സ്. നൗ ഒന്നാമത്തെ ഫിഗർ, let us see the first figure that is given, figure 1, and you know that the object is placed beyond C. We have discussed here and also in that problem. Now AB is the object that is beyond C, and image will be between C and F. So height of the image means downwards, since that is downwards, that is negative, and height of the object, that is upwards, that is positive. So if it is if that is HI by HO, if one is negative, the magnification also negative. If both are negative, positive, and both are positive, positive. Now it is 1, that is HI is negative. Since HI is negative, magnification m is equal to, that is a negative value. Okay. Erect, what about the nature? Erect, virtual, inverted, real. Which one? Inverted and real. And what about the size? Size is diminished. Next one, figure 2, that is this one. And where is the position of object? That is at C. And what is HI? HI means the image is at C itself, and that is downwards, that is also negative. And HO, positive, and m, if one is negative, then the magnification is negative. And what about the nature? Yes, real and inverted. And then size is same size as that of the object. When the object is placed at C, the image, the size of the image will be same size as that of the object. അതേ വലിപ്പം തന്നെയായിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടാവുക. സിയിലാണ് വസ്തു വയ്ക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ സിയിൽ തന്നെയാണ് ഇമേജും ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. നൗ അടുത്ത മൂന്നാമത്തെ ഫിഗറിൽ ദ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഈസ് പ്ലേസ്ഡ് ഇൻ ബിറ്റ്വീൻ എഫ് ആൻഡ് പി. എഫിനും പിക്കും ഇടയിലാണ് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് വച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. എവിടെയാണ് ഇമേജ് ഫോം ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? യെസ്, ബിഹൈൻഡ് ദ മിറർ. ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ വാട്ട് അബൌട്ട് ദ നേച്ചർ? യു നോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വെർച്വൽ ആൻഡ് എറക്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് us see figure 3. What about the height of the image? Image is upwards, so that is, it is positive, and HO, that is also positive, so magnification is positive. And what about the nature? Yes, virtual and erect, and the size is magnified. When the object is placed in a concave mirror, when an object is placed in between F and P, magnified virtual erect image will be formed behind the mirror. Okay. Now another thing, that is convex mirror. Convex mirror le മുമ്പിൽ ഒരു in front of that convex mirror there is an object placed AB. And what about the image? Image is formed in between F and P, that is also virtual and erect but diminished. Okay. Let us see the height of the image. Height of the image will be height of the image will be positive, and height of the object will be positive. Both are upwards. മുകളിലേക്കായതുകൊണ്ടാണ് പോസിറ്റീവ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. എമ്മും അപ്പോൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. ആൻഡ് നേച്ചർ വെർച്വൽ ആൻഡ് എറക്റ്റ്, ആൻഡ് the size diminished. Now the last figure, the same, in the same way, that is convex mirror. കോൺവെക്സ് മിററിൻ്റെ മുമ്പിൽ എവിടെ വസ്തു വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാലും ഇതേ രീതിയിൽ തന്നെയായിരിക്കും ഇമേജ് ഫോർമേഷൻ. ദർ ഈസ് നോ ചേഞ്ച്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹൈറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ഇമേജ് ഈസ് പോസിറ്റീവ്, height of the object positive, and then magnification positive, and then virtual and erect, that is the nature, and diminished. So this is the end of this video. Thank you, and watch for the next video.